My Sony camcorder's got something called night shot. It's like a night vision. We're in total darkness right now. This is my Chevy van. Look at the tree, there's a tree right there. It gets the ground real good. It's called Night Shot. It's on the 4K camcorder. I never used it. It looks like it has to be so close. They're 3 feet away. On the ground it works real good. That's 4 feet down probably. There's a tree right there. Yeah, Night Shot it's called. I think it's the same as night vision. It's on a Sony 4K camcorder HDRX 33. It's the one I film with. On the ground it works real good if you follow it on the ground.